Hey, this is Ronald Carroll from MathSkills University, and today I want to talk to you about Canva for beginners. You can just sign up if you like, or you can use Google to log in. I'm going to use Google. As you can see, I'm using the free version, not the pro version. That's going to cost you $120 a year, but you can cancel anytime. Over here, I can change my settings, bring in my logo, etc. If I go to Design Spotlight, it gives you a good idea of some of the things you can do. If you're trying to create a business card, if you want to create merchandise for your YouTube page, you can do all that here. There's also an education center here. You can learn. Here are your documents. It looks like that. Whiteboarding is pretty straightforward. If I click on this, it opens up and I can move stuff around and change it up and insert things. And then you have presentations. More like some of your PowerPoint presentations. And again, if you're trying to find something specific, just type it up here. And then I can go over here to social media, YouTube, Twitter post, thumbnail. We're going to do that later. We're going to do a video later. And then print products. So if I want to put my logo on a coffee cup or a mug, it's really easy to do. I can also create websites. Click on that and it has all the pages, everything you need for your website. You can actually publish the website as well here, get a domain name, the whole 9 yards. They have a lot of things you can do. If you click on more, you'll see there's infographics, collages, wallpaper, book covers. And it just goes on and on. And again, if you're looking for something, just type it up here. We're going to focus on the free version. So we're going to start with video. And I'm going to touch a few of these things, but you need to play around with this. It's very intuitive and user-friendly. If I want to have a video, I can use their templates and it'll automatically format to what that social media page wants. YouTube, TikTok, you name it. And these are some of the templates you can use. I'm just going to click on video. Here I have templates. I can type in anything I want up here. Go over here to design, click on uploads, or I can just grab my video and just drop it in. Hey, this is Ron. Stop that, go up here and get rid of the volume on that. And right here, I can actually do editing inside Canva. So I'm going to show you the basics of this. But say, for example, I don't like the intro. I don't want it there. I can just drag this and get rid of it this way. And now it's gone. I can go over here too and come down to about right here, right click right here and split this. I can also add a transition once I split it. Now I have two separate pages. If I right click this, I can go up here and add a transition, or I can go between the two videos and add a new page or a transition right here. Choose from any of these. So we have a transition there. I can go over here and do another split, because if I just want text over a certain part of the video, say maybe the intro, you would create different pages to do that. So right here, I can go over here to text and I can click on any of these. Again, if you see this crown, that's the pro version. We'll just go with a basic text. You can try those if you like. And we have a text here. Now I can change the font. We'll use Horizon. Grab it here and make it smaller. And then center that. You can change the colors. I can also animate that. So I'll have it come in like that. Effects, I can add shadows. You can do a lot of things with effects as well. Bring the intensity down on that a little bit. And I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with this. Now what I can do is say, okay, I can't see that too well. So I'm going to go over here to Elements, click on that, grab a square shape right here. And now I can drag this over and then grab it here. And now I have a background. So now I can see that better. And of course I can change that background color as well. And the elements are really cool here too. So let's go ahead and grab a photograph. I have a few different pictures here. Click on this and insert that easily into this video. So that's only going to appear right here. So while I'm talking, if I want to jump out, for example, and then show this, I can put that right there, or I can have this be a video and it can play in the corner like that. Bring another one in, just click it. What I can also do, I can come over here and create another cut. And what's great about this is that I can say, okay, I'm going to move this around. Let's grab it and move it over here. You can move things around. If I want to go down here, I want to get rid of the end of this. I can just drag it down. Now it's gone. Then I can go up here and type in YouTube Ultra, and I already have one right here. We're going to go to videos, this, and just drag it down and drop it. And then we'll put in maybe a transition right here, a swipe. And right here, I'll put in, so if I'm clicked on this, I'll click on this. It's going to insert that into the page. And now I can change the size of it. And then you can also put something here. We're going to bring in different animation there. So again, you can animate this stuff any way you want. Have it tumble in, kind of like that. Play around with this, but have fun with that. You can apply it to all the pages. But I don't have any other pages but this one. I'm going to click right here. If I wanted to delete this, I'll just delete that right here. I can add a page title to that. This will be right here, the ones I've worked on. If I want to do just basic whiteboard drawing, I can do that as well here. And again, all my uploads are here. If I go to audio, I can bring in audio as well. Now say I don't want this to be this long. So once I bring it in, I can go over here and edit that clip. So that's clip up here. So I can do editing for my second video, anything I bring in up here. Bring in some audio. Type in audio here. And there's your crown. Let's bring in this one. It's going to bring the audio in down there. I can also grab and stretch it out. And then hear what that sounds like. You can also bring in your own audio here. There's a lot more things you can do here. I'm not going to go over everything. Elements has, if I want to use a frame, any video I put in here is going to stay within that frame. Let's go to images, put this right here behind it. And that's how it's going to fit within the video. And that's the video. One that we play with, and change the ending. Once you're done with this project, go up here to share. And as you can see, I can share it on social media. There are many options down here, as you can see. And most of us want to download this. Now, if you're not pro member, you're not going to get 1080p. You see it's pro member only, but it's going to be MP4. Download that. When it's done, it's going to pop up like this. Go ahead and save it. And let's see what it looks like. I'm going to fast forward that, and I want to see the ending. What I also like about Canva is that the way we did the video, bringing in text and all that, it works the same way no matter what I'm doing. I'll go over here and create a logo, and I'll click on that. And over here, we have basic logos. And remember, if you see a crown, you can't use it unless you pay for it. And here I can click on anything here and change anything here, the colors, whatever I want to do. So this is really simple to do. And I can also go back over here and go back to the top. I can type in plumber. So you can do it by industry. And that's crowned, but this is not. So that's pretty cool. And again, you can change the color. You can do different things with this. But the logos are really nice here. And more like this, you can always click on that and get more like it. And they have some really good ideas here. Now let's go back to home. And if I want to do a business card, I can go up here. I know it's down there somewhere, but I go over here. So logos over here under marketing. I'll go to print and click on a business card. Right, and you can order these cards and pay for them in a stock, whether you want them glossy or matted. And then down here we have templates. Let's go ahead and create a business card. Of course, I can change anything here. I can bring in different photographs and all that. But I can go to the back or the front of this card. I want to put a QR code here. So I'll go over here to Elements, type in QR. And there's the code. Now you see you have Pro here, but I can move over here and just grab one that's not Pro, resize it. And now click here on the three dots, go down to link or press Control plus K and put in a link. And press enter. There's my link. It says link added. That's cool to me because now When I hand somebody my business card, they can just scan that code and go right to any website or any page or platform I want them to go to. Say if I'm trying to find a different kind of image, or say I want to find birds. I'll type in bird. Now anything related to birds pop up. So consider this like AI. And I can go up here to the top and say that's a graphic, but how about just photos? Yep, well how about videos of birds? If I go over here, well how about audio of birds? Think of this search box as AI. Anytime you see a search box anywhere in Canva, you can go find stuff. That's how you do business cards, and you can just change to anything you want in seconds. If I want to change this picture, I can remove it. I can crop it out. I can make adjustments to it. I can add effects to this as well. If you have the Pro version, if I want to remove this background, I would just click on this and that background will be gone. My advice to you, if you can afford it, just buy the Pro version. And I go up here, I can change the fonts, the colors. The same way we did with the video, that's how all this changes as well. That's what I like about it. There's a lot of continuity and consistency throughout the entire process. Let's go back over to home. So all that kind of works the same. I don't want to just be redundant there because you take a template, you bring in your own picture. You got a hair salon or a spa. Again, you can change it, fonts and different things, animate it, bring it in differently. You can also create animated business cards. And there's videos out there on that. As you go down the card and click on something, it will take them to a different part of your website or whatever. Any projects that you worked on in the past will be right here. And I can just click on these dots right here and then come down and move that to trash. And then print products. One thing I'm surprised here is that I don't see any baseball caps. But if I want to throw my logo on a bag or a coffee mug or something like that, it's really easy to do. Just click on it. Go over here to my uploads, grab my logo, click it once. It's there. Go over here to text, and I can bring in my text. I can also add elements to this as well. If I want to add a QR code there, and I can print that out. I can go over here to print with Canva. It's going to show me what it looks like. And this will cost me $17.50, free delivery. But if I bought more than one of these, I'm sure I would get a better discount, as you can see. So 36 will cost me $3.78. And this applies the same to, say, a t-shirt design. You just pop in your logo. I can use their templates over here. And honestly, I think this can be a lot better. I would use Vistaprint for this because it's going to show the actual t-shirt. Vistaprint has literally everything in terms of this stuff like this, or promotional products or marketing products. Polos, they have a lot more options. So, but not having a baseball cap is a little bit strange to me. Anyway, that covers a lot of what Canva can do. You just have to get in here and play with it. If you go to templates, it will give it to you by category, by what's popular, what's trending, show your logos. And this covers everything under the template submenu right there. If I want something just for weddings, here's just wedding templates. Go back and you can see all the different types of templates in every category. And remember, you can search for anything up here. Now, if you want to learn more about Vistaprint, I linked a Vistaprint lesson below, how to become a digital designer using Vistaprint and how to use GIMP. GIMP is free. And Vistaprint's free too, but it just has more options when it comes to doing merchandising for your YouTube store. And there are other options out there too, I'm sure that do this, or other companies that do the same thing. I love Canva. They do a great job. And until we meet next time, please like, please subscribe, and please share, and have a great and creative day.